Agway. Karat naman sa ang tutunlan. Sa shower, ay nako. Hi, sis Merlina. Ay, nanood pa lang ako ng ano dito, sisi. Shoes mo, naka-under pa lang. Hindi pa ako tapos. Ay, medyo lang shout out, sis. Shouty. Ito, naka-under lang yung ano mo dito. So, sapatos. Nice shoes. Di ba? And then, agay salamat sa pag-support. Wala ko gan. Ilam sa akong phone. Wala. Normal live lang ako ngayon kasi agoy, ano na naman yung ano ko, lalamunan ulit. So, watcha. Andar ko lang dito. I love you. Ayun, natapos na yung videos. Hanap ako ng ibang video pa kung anong mayroon ba dito kung hindi ko pa nakikita. So, we'll see. Andar ko lang yung mga ang exit naman nito. Tomato for lunch. So, what's up guys? So, Sisi Koy. Thank you din sa support mo dyan, Sisi Koy. Ang galing pa ako sa trabaho. Ang dami kong suot na naman. One. So, parang binago na naman tong sitting having yung computer ko ba? Yeah. Yeah. Warum? So, it's called Hi Sis Babe Lives US, Sisi Koy. Shouty sa'yo, Sisi Koy. Watching dito sa ano, Tips Live. Nanonood pa ako dito sa ano mo, air fryer. Preparation live show. So, naka-under ka lang dito, Sisi Koy. Anong air fryer mo? Ano ba ito? So, ganon. Thank you, Zez. Shouty. Tracker US. Tusok. Okay. Mylene Pinay. Shouty. So, wait a minute, guys. Agoy. Parang, ano na naman yung lalamunan natin, kumakarat-karat na naman. Parang umaano na naman yung ano. So, playing dito walking in our yard, eating lunch. Sisi Koy. Play lang yan ha, dito. Thank you guys. So, working in our yards. Okay. And then, hindi mo na ako nagkanta-kanta kay grabe ang mga CPR ko. Ay, yung iba hindi ko pa naayos. Shouty Sisikoy, KB Travel. Saksi, salamat Sisikoy. So, playing lang dito. So. Sis Kevin, kumusta dyan Sisikoy? So, ang daming ano. Daming pananom, ready na for summer. Oh. Ready for summer na Sisikoy. Si Smiling Pinay Tracker. Thank you, Sisikoy. Shouty. Oh, play lang dito Sisikoy. Palingkin ng mga BGs. Uy, ano yun? Sugarcane? Oh, may tubo sila, oh. So, under ko lang dito Sisikoy. Crazy! Hello, Crazy for Scissors. Hey there, hello, how are you? How are you, my dear? Crazy Seahorse. I'm gonna watch, what is your video? There's video is only 6 months ago, 7 months ago. I will play this aquarium. Seahorse. Seahorse in your aquarium. So I'm watching you. How are you guys? So, thank you sa mga nakaano dyan. Si Merlina, natapos na yung ano, hindi ko na alam kung ano yun, naka-under lang. And so, doing fine as also always. How are you? Too long no see. I'm fine too. I'm okay. I'm fine as always. Same as always. I'm fine, my dear. So watching here. Mm-hmm. Playing this one, guys. So this, I love this nice aquarium. Dan Merlina. Sisikoy. Sis Bibs watching lang dito ha, working in our yard and still playing. And si Smilin, I'm still here in the beaches and fruits. Tara na. As open market. Ang dami. Crazy for you, I'm just playing your video. So. Sir, tell me. So just playing the phone. Yeah, my channel is about pets and I got marine fish. You know what? We have aquarium before. But we already give up because it's too much work. We have salt aquarium inside our bedroom. But it's too much work. That's why we give up already. Because it's to have aquarium is too much work. So I'm still here, Sisi ko Mylene, sa nakaano lang, nakapamalingki lang tayo dito. So,
That's parsley lettuce.
daming kamuti. So, under lang yan guys, while we are chika-chika here, and then I don't know what's happening, so I just thumbs up and then play another some video guys, ha? Hindi ko alam kung anong mga, Why you don't have new upload? Crazy. Crazy, yeah? Crazy for scissors. Seahorse. Scissor. Seahorse. Uy, ang cute naman ng chicken, small chick niya. Salamat, yes. My channel is about okay. Traveling and then home. Studying fast. Hindi ko maintindihan yung panahon. Mainit, malamig. I didn't understand, guys, the weather. Sometimes I feel hot, sometimes I feel cold. It's very changeable, guys, so I don't know what. Saan ka malamig? Saan ka host? Malamig dyan? Austria, Sisikoy. Malamig pa dito, Sisikoy. Winter time pa. But it's soon rolling. Ano ba tawag naman? Rolling. I got currently 710. Thanks. Oh, really? But my time is limited. I am the caregiver for my granny and my after they had stroke. It's on okay. We have before is 2,500 liter aquarium, and that is too much work because it's salt water. Sisi ko, I'm still playing nandito. Sisi ko, babes, life in the US. Oh, sana sipag magtupi ni Sisi. Yung mga tupiin ko nakatambak. Nakatambak lang yung tupiin ko dito, Sisi. Baka naman gustong pagsali ng tupi. Sometimes, ano ba yung English na check ano bang English ng ahak. Sisiw, ang cute naman. Sis Kibi, thank you Sis Kibi. Ano kayang bago kay Sis Kibi? We'll see. Baka may mga bagong upload. 1 year ago yung upload Sis Kibi. My God. Pero nagla-live siya. Hindi ko lang maabutan yung mga live streaming niya guys kasi ibang time siya. Magkaiba yung mga oras namin.